So let me welcome Mr. Vinod Verma. He is Vice President of Aditya Birla Group. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So I would like to know your views on national brand and marketing, and what's your views about branding and marketing?
Let me thanks to the organizer for choosing this very relevant topic. Having said that, basically branding and the marketing, this both the component are very important. It may be from the SME point of view, or it may be from the large industry point of view. Having said that, it's a continuous process. See, the idea, the scale may be the different, but it's essential for the all the industry at large. Having said that, the branding for the SME may be the different, and the for large industry may be the different. But it's a continuous improvement is required for both the that way, for the marketing strategy as well as for the this branding strategy. For SME, the budget is constrained, and the implement of the new ideas is most essential. Using of the social media and this thing may be the quite relevant part for the SME. But having said that, SME is doing fantastic job. Instead, I'm not saying that one should not stress or give the importance to the branding and marketing, but simultaneously one should not forget the quality of the product as well. In the present era of the innovation and this thing, one should not forget to implement and the continuous process strategy and the innovation part.
Okay, thank you, sir. And after this event, after you have gone through so many awards and all, right? So, what you can say, like how Indian Achievers Forum is helping SMEs or MSMEs to just brand or market their particular company or their particular products and services over here?
Yeah, definitely with the deliberation on this two component, the two topic, definitely all the audience got the new idea, innovation, and the that way new idea to implement in their respective field. They are you guys are doing fantastic job, and the selection of this topic is fantastic. Again, I am repeating that, but the opinion from the respective experts definitely help to the industry.
Any other suggestions you want to give to us?
Yeah, no, per se, that way, suggestion in terms of, that way, what I am trying to say, the involvement from the different sector, the gathering was here from the, different sector, but you need to include the other sector as well, so that you can have the gathering of the different sector, the right from the SME to the large industry, and from one sector to another sector, like innovation to the no doubt you have that type of this thing, but still need to expand that.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you so much.